Hi everyone, I am Jady from Modiwell. Today we're going to talk about a topic that everyone is very concerned about: usage costs. Many people like the convenience and hygiene of waterless toilets, but they also worry about one thing: do refill bags get used up too quickly? Will the long-term costs be high? So today I want to introduce a practical accessory that can significantly reduce the amount of consumables used. This is our 2-liter urine collection container. If you want to reduce consumable expenses, this small upgrade can really make a big difference. Why? The average adult urinates about 300 milliliters each time, and this container has a capacity of 2 liters. That means you can use it multiple times without having to change the refill bags every time. This means fewer refill bags consumed. Fewer refill bags used, lower long-term costs. Over time, the savings are actually quite considerable. However, here is a very important usage suggestion. Our urine container lid is a protective design, but it is not a completely airtight structure. Therefore, during driving, especially when the vehicle is moving, the liquid may splash due to shaking. Therefore, I strongly recommend for daily driving or lightly bumpy road conditions, use with our hardener. The hardener quickly transforms the liquid into a gel state, effectively reducing shaking, splashing, and odor problems. Cleaner, safer. It also better protects your car's interior environment. For particularly bumpy road conditions, such as mountain roads, off-road, or environments with strong vibrations, we recommend using the packing bag system directly. In these extreme situations, the packing bag is a more secure and reassuring choice. We encourage everyone to choose the most suitable usage method based on different travel scenarios. Additionally, this 2-liter urine container is compatible with the following models: LE330, LE310R1808. If you are currently using any of these, upgrading is very simple. If you have always been concerned about consumable costs, this is indeed a very smart and practical way to reduce costs. Reduce waste, lower expenses, make travel more flexible. I've included the link to the 2-liter urine collection container in the description below. Please check it out. If you have any questions about how to reduce usage costs, feel free to leave a comment. I am Jady from Modiwell. See you in the next video.